Layers of the Earth. Earth is known to be the only planet which has life on it. All living beings, such as humans, animals, and plants can only survive on this planet, because it is the only planet which has water, air, and most of all, it has an atmosphere which protects it from the harmful rays of the sun. Earth is not just a huge solid rock, it is made up of different components and layers. There are 4 main layers of the Earth, namely the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. The crust. The crust is the topmost layer of planet Earth. It is on which we all live. Crust is the thinnest layer of the Earth in comparison to the other 3 layers. The thickness of the crust varies to around 5 kilometers in the oceans and around 70 kilometers thick below the land on which we live. The crust below the land on which we live is known as the continental crust. This is the only layer that can be possibly investigated by humans. So this layer is more known to the humans than any other layer of the planet Earth. The mantle. This is the second layer of the planet Earth and it is found under the crust and above the outer core. This layer is about 2,500 kilometers thick and contributes 80% of the total weight of the Earth. It consists of molten metals, minerals and many other semi-solid rocks. These molten rocks and minerals rise above due to the intense heat, but after some time they cool down and form tectonic plates. Tectonic plates. These plates form when the crust and the outer mantle combine. These plates tend to move very slowly. Sometimes these plates move and hit each other, which causes earthquakes. Mountains are also formed because of the movements of these plates. The outer core. The outer core consists of iron and nickel. This layer is very hot and the temperature in this layer can be around 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. This layer is a very important part of the Earth, as the metals it contains are in liquid form, which creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field is really essential as it helps protect the Earth from harmful solar winds which are caused by the sun. This magnetic field works in such a way that it forms a barrier for these destructive solar winds. The inner core. This layer of the Earth is also really hot and can reach up to 4,500 to 7,000 degrees Celsius in temperature, which is nearly as hot as the sun's surface. The most interesting thing about this layer is that despite being this hot, it is solid because of the extreme pressure it is under for being the innermost layer of the Earth.